Hi everyone, this is Anup Jha and welcome you all to my YouTube channel AI Ki Pathsala. This is the 15th session in the exploratory data analysis series and today we are going to study Violin plot. So let's start. We have already seen histogram, PDF and box plot, right? Let me show it to you. As you can see, this is my histogram and this is a PDF. And this you can see, this is only my PDF, which is a smooth form of histogram. And this is the box plot, which we have seen before. Now we have seen histograms, PDF, and the box plots. Of course, all three of them have their own advantages and disadvantages. So why don't we actually combine all these plots and get the best of both the worlds? Such a plot is called Violin plot. Violin plot. While the name is very melodramatic, it's very simple idea and it's a very useful one. I really like these plots because it gives us the best of both the worlds. What it means, histogram and PDF combined and the box plot. So Violin plots are very simple to draw using Seaborn. So if some of you who might not have installed Seaborn, let's first install Seaborn. For installing Seaborn, what you need to do, you need to go up in your terminal and simply you have to write here pip install Seaborn, Seaborn. Then you have to click enter. In my case, it's already been installed. That's why I am getting requirement already satisfied. Let's write a code to draw Violin plot. It's just a one-line command, very similar to what we saw earlier. So I will write SNS dot Violin plot. Then inside this parenthesis, I will write X is equal to species, Y is equal to petal length, and then data. I have to give the data like we are working on the iris data set. So I have to write here iris, and then I have to choose the color. Hue is equal to species, and then at the end I have to specify the width. Width is equal to, let's say I am giving the width 0.6. Fine. Thereafter, in the second line, I have to write plt dot show, show. So if I will just do this, I will get my Violin plot. So let's look at the plot and see what it is and how it works for us. Again, as usual, we have our setosa here, our versicolor here, and our virginica here. So violin plot looks like somebody playing a violin. So it has both the component. So let's see how it works. This thick black area that you are seeing is your box plots box. This is your box plot. Let me draw it. This thick black area that you are seeing is your box plots box. So this is your box plot. I have drawn a box plot here. This is my box plot. Fine. With the white color in the center being your 50th percentile. So this thing is basically my 50th percentile. This is my 50th percentile. So if this is my 50th percentile, so this will be my 25th percentile. And this is my 75th percentile. I mean 17th percentile means this point. This is my 28th percentile. And this white that you are seeing here in the middle is your 50th percentile or the median. And these are your whiskers. This thing, this is your upper whisker and this is your lower whiskers. Fine. Similarly, as you see in before, this is your middle part. That's why I'm taking this as the 50th percentile, which is also the median. So your violin plot already has the box plot inside it. Then you might ask, what is this plot that you are seeing on the sides? I mean, this thing, this plot. Similarly, for this thing, and for this plot. Fine. Again, this is symmetric to this part is symmetric to this part. This part here is symmetric to this part. This part here is symmetric to, that is the left part is symmetric to your right part, and it is symmetric along this. You just turn it on and look at it like this. This looks exactly like your bell curve. It will look exactly like your this bell curve that we have already learned. So what Violin plot does is Violin plot plots the probability density function or your histogram on the sides. This is my probability density function, or you can see is histograms, because probability density function is basically the smoothed form of histogram. So you can say it like, or your histograms on the side. So if you turn your head a little and see them, what you see is your Setosa's distribution. Then you will see your versicolors distribution here and your Virginica distribution here. So your Violin plot is basically taking both your density plots and your smooth histogram. That is, density plot is density plot and your smooth histogram. Smooth histogram. Fine. And this smooth histogram is basically your probability density plot. It's taking your box plot and merging both of them into a single plot. And of course, this is again very useful because it gives you the best of both the worlds. You know what the distribution looks like? Because from this diagram, I know that the distribution looks like a Gaussian distribution, something like this, Gaussian distribution. But it also has your box plot inside it. So it has best of both the worlds. And you can read off this, what the 70th percentile is, what the 25th percentile is, what the 50th percentile is. And typically, I would prefer to do either a box plot or sometimes a Violin plot because it gives us the best of both the worlds. So this is a very, very simple and elegant idea. Again, those of you who don't know what a Gaussian distribution is, please don't worry. I will discuss this in great details in statistics for AI playlist, which I will be sharing very soon. If this session adds any value to your study, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button and share, comment, and ask questions. I will be happy to help you. Thanks. Keep learning, keep smiling.